Welcome back to my lecture series. This is Muthuminal R, Assistant Professor from the Department of Agricultural Engineering at SNS College of Technology. Today we'll see the topic on methods of irrigation and their irrigation efficiency that comes under the unit crop water requirement under the subject Irrigation and Drainage Engineering for the students of third year 6th semester. Water is one of the most precious natural resources, and efficient utilization of water is essential for sustainable agriculture. That means different crops, different soil, different climate and topographical conditions require different irrigation methods. Therefore, selecting the appropriate method is extremely important. Before going into the session, let us have a small recap what we have seen in the previous lecture series. We have seen about interbasin transfer, crop seasons, duty, delta and base period along with its relationship and factors affecting these three characters. So let us first understand irrigation water management. So irrigation water management refers to the scientific planning and application of water to crops in the right quantity at the right time. Proper water management not only improves crop productivity but also it minimizes water losses and conserves the resources. The first and most commonly used method is surface irrigation. In surface irrigation, water flows over the land surface under the influence of gravity. This method is simple and economical and is widely used in agricultural field. However, the losses due to the evaporation, runoff and deep percolation are comparatively high. So this is what I have given here, that is the types of surface irrigation includes these kinds of wild flooding, border strip irrigation, check basin irrigation and furrow irrigation. So the efficiency ranges will be throughout 40 to 60 percentages. So however, the losses due to the evaporation, runoff and deep percolation are comparatively high. Now let us shift over to sprinkler irrigation to eradicate these kinds of losses. The sprinkler irrigation ensures uniform water distribution and is suitable for sandy soils and undulated lands. It also reduces the soil erosion and improves irrigation efficiency. So here, as I have given here, we have been prone to losses as I have said at the previous method. So in order to eradicate them, we have taken up charge in reducing with the help of utilizing sprinkler irrigation. So that is how, due to the well managed system, we have reached around 75% of efficiency for the sprinkler irrigation. So now let us also understand an advanced method called drip irrigation. Drip irrigation supplies water directly to the root zones through emitters and pipelines. Since the water is delivered only when it is needed, losses due to evaporation and runoff are minimized. So it is highly efficient and is particularly suitable for orchards, vegetables and water scarce regions. Now next we'll see about the subsurface irrigation. Here water is applied below the soil surface and reaches the root zone through capillary action. This method minimizes the evaporation losses and provides moisture directly to plant roots. However, it requires careful design and suitable soil condition. Now let us discuss about the irrigation efficiencies. So the efficiency represents how effectively the water is utilized in irrigation system. Conveyance efficiency indicates how efficiently the water is transported from the source to the field. Application efficiency refers to the percentage of water is transported or stored in the root zone and compared to that of the water that has been supplied. So the storage efficiency indicates how effectively the soil moisture deficiency is replenished. So the overall irrigation efficiency represents the combined performance of the entire irrigation system. Higher efficiency means less wastage and better crop productivity. Among all irrigation methods, drip irrigation generally provides the higher efficiency, followed by sprinkler irrigation. The traditional and surface irrigation methods are simpler and cheaper but often involve higher water losses. Therefore, surface irrigation methods could be chosen wisely with increasing pressure on water resources. Modern irrigation technologies have been becoming essential. In conclusion, the choice of irrigation method should depend on the crop type, soil characteristics, climatic conditions, and water availability. So, the efficient irrigation practices are the key to sustainable agriculture and food security for future generations. So this is what I have prepared for today's class. If you guys have any kind of doubt or anything, you guys can ping me anytime. See you at the next class. Thank you.